Welcome to optimization. So once your campaign is running, it's time to maximize your optimization efforts to take full advantage of its potential. Go through the following docs to understand how you may boost your campaign with AI-powered optimization tools or RBO new features. Moreover, we will provide you with helpful tips and sources, custom bids, or landing pages optimization. So in this section, we're going to cover increase and optimize traffic tips and tricks, the traffic calculator, rule-based optimization, smart eCPA, working with sources and targets, custom bids, and then we're wrapping up with the visibility indicator.